Oh, hello,
Hey,
YouTube.
this is Kicking Cat in the Junk.
He's joking around. And you just crushed the can again. Yeah, sorry about that unexpected error thing. My camera sort of shut off. Yeah, it wasn't his fault, don't worry. The cameraman was not the fault. Okay.
Not this time.
We have just finished pretty much the last piece of this thing. Yeah, just this ring. And that means... Oh, we still have this piece.
Kicking the cat in the junk.
Liam, camera. Don't push some buttons.
Kicking a cat in the junk.
Liam? You're supposed to be taking the camera and looking at me. Do you think he's being a good cameraman right now?
Kicking the cat in the junk. Okay, anyway. Ow!
We got a small problem.
What?
We have to remove the motor to install a screw. We did not think this through.
They trolled us!
Well, actually, I don't think we need the screw.
They trolled us.
Sort of.
We trolled them.
What? I think I can put in the screw reverse.
Dude, I think they totally fucked us up.
I can't. I had to unscrew this whole thing. Maybe we should have read the instructions better.
Yeah, maybe you should have.
Maybe we should have.
I don't know how to read.
Yeah, you do.
Fuck logic.
Actually, no, let's just not. Because I am not taking this thing apart for one tiny screw. Which way does this go? Where does this go? It goes like this.
Ben fucked it up.
I didn't fuck it up.
You sure?
We were trying to work on this together, but he just gave out.
People need hilarity here. That? Not hilarity.
Is this how it goes?
No.
Yes. Oh, I got it right. Why are you middle fingering me all the time? Cat hair in my nose. Cat hair in my nose. Cat hair in my nose.
Here, have some more.
Liam really don't. I'm partially allergic to cats, okay?
Lols.
Stop, it's not funny.
I know.
I love cats, but I'm allergic to them. It's not funny. Great, I just spread more out of my face. Is this not funny for you?
No. But it's funny for the viewers.
I need help.
It's going to get like 30 million hits.
Because I'm trying to put in the screw while I have cat hair all over my face. Get in, screw. Wait.
Out of all of this, you never see the cameraman's face.
It's Liam.
It's like, what the?
His name is Super 209. Remember that name, because it'll be the last name you ever see. This video will make you die in 7 days.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
He's just being fucking mad at.
If you watch this to the end, it will kill you. I'm being serious.
No, it won't.
It'll kill you with
Oh,
laughter.
look, there's my door, and...
My nose itches. I can't do
Stop.
this if my nose itches.
Oh. There's a painting I painted in 4th grade. There's a painting behind it I painted in 1st grade.
He's lying.
Well, one of them I actually did paint.
Painted one in 5th grade. And guess which one it is? I'm pretty sure he didn't paint ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs, so...
Leave the comment of what you think in the description below.
We're not done. He's just telling you to.
Yeah. And, also, like after this is over and subscribe when it is over. So yeah, yada yada yada.
Liam, stop begging for things. Tigger's trying to escape.
What is he doing?
He's trying to escape.
I know. Oh, it's because of shadow. You're making a shadow.
Actually are.
That's hilarious. Yeah. It's the leg of doom. It's the leg of doom.
No, it's Liam's leg.
Fuck you.
Liam, I'm at least trying to build this. I could have some help if you could.
I'm being the cameraman.
I know. I mean, keep the light on the thing.
Fine. But after this, we're making them stay tuned for peanut butter goober time.
Yes, just stay tuned so you can see peanut butter goober time. It's actually kind of funny.
It's cute and hilarious.
Stop, screw. Don't make me screw you.
Did you just... What? What? Are you saying you're gonna screw a screw?
Mm-hmm.
That actually...
It's not very pretty either, so...
That actually makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, because I'm actually screwing in the screw.
Lols.
He's just lolling for fun. Trust me.
Lol.
It's not funny. Don't lols with him. It will kill you.
It won't kill them. He's being over dramatic.
Yes, because he's a horrible cameraman and won't keep the light on one spot. Stop!
I'm trying to get the whole thing. Oh, there we go.
Back up a teeny bit. And then you cover the camera, of course.
You're just as bad.
No, I'm not. Stop! See, this is what I mean by horrible. He's purposely aiming off key.
There.
There we go. That's perfect. They think I'm sideways.
This isn't how he really is. I'm just pointing it at a sideways angle. Just for fun. Seriously. Look at the... Dude.
Why are
You
you
guys-
stuck these wiggly things?
You guys probably can't see the shadow, but Tigger right now
Actually,
is
they can.
chasing the... No, they can't. I can't see it on the screen. But anyway, Tigger's chasing this really invisible to you shadow, but it's like giant to us. And it's like, what the fudge, Tigger? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay, I got him to stop saying cuss words. Yay.
What the fudge?
See, he wants to say fudge.
What the fudge, Tigger? Fudge you.
See, he wants to keep saying fudge. That's kind of creepy, don't you think?
How's that creepy? How is that creepy?
He usually cuss. And all of a sudden you just stop cussing. I think Chavez's dead soul is trying to tell you something.
Yeah. Tigger!
And I think he's talking through Tigger.
Fuck you, Tigger. Fuck you, Tigger. Fuck you, Tigger. Fuck you, Tigger.
Okay, maybe Chavez is gone now.
Nah, he was never there in the first place.
I'm done.
Yay!
Give me the soda can.
Yay! Are we finally ready for poking Tigger and peanut butter goober time?
I didn't add the eyeballs.
Oh come on! Battery is getting low.
Well, did it stop recording?
No.
Guys. See you next time.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to do peanut butter goober time and
Oh, sorry. Upside down.
Tigger and poking.
That is Liam.
So-
Yes, that was the cameraman.
Ah!
Goodbye.